Part 4. He awoke and found that through the broken tiles the rainwater was plunging. He thought what to do. Oh, I have the boon. He told, I should have a pakka house, a brick built house. Very fine. He slept. In the morning, when he woke up, he couldn't see his known things. Oh, what a good house! It's a pakka house, a good one-story building. Very fine, very happy. His wife told, what happened to our house? Oh, Ginny, don't ask. I have the power. I can transmute. What? For the betterment. Just see. They're very happy. And then they came out. Oh, all his neighbors have two-story building. Now he's feeling some jealous. It's not good. He wanted to commit suicide. He was in rags. And for this he got the boon. But he is enjoying, but others are also enjoying double. It is for his sake only. Now what to do? Now he goes to the judgeman's house for the worship, for the praying. One day he was coming, it was scorching sun rays. He feeling very uneasy because so much scorching sun rays just purged his brain. After coming back, he thought, no, every day I am going on foot. It should be changed. So in the night, he prayed to God, God, I should have a scooty. In the morning, he found a beautiful scooty in front of his house. He was very happy. He thought that, okay, I have got one scooty. My neighbors would get two scooties. That's fairly bad. When he came out from his house with the scooty, he found, to his amazement, there was no scooties in front of any neighbor's house. But there was cars. Many cars were there. Why? Then he figured out, I wanted a two-wheeler, they got four-wheeler. No, it cannot be put up with anymore. It should be changed. So, next night, he prayed to God. God, I want that I should be blind by one eye, one of my hands should be broken, and I should get a limp in one of my feet. Now, everybody will be blind in two eyes. They cannot eat properly. Two hands will be broken. They will not able to walk. Now, get. Now, thinking others ill, he became very happy. But in the morning he found that what he wanted, it was for himself only, not for the others. God cursed him. So what is the moral of the story? When a person is feeling bad for himself, he wants that others should be in the same problem. If a boy or a girl fails in the exam, he wants or she wants that his friends should have this sort of bad result.